Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of the mm.lafluer styling box. Okay, so I did one other unboxing of this type of styling box on my channel. Hopefully this is the right hand to use this to do this with, but check the card above to see my first one. Yes, this stuff is very expensive, so disclaimer, I have two. One, there will be a try-on piece of the video. I'm sorry about my last Stitch Fix, but I didn't have one, but now I got a better camera set up and all that good stuff, so I can now again do my try-on pieces for these unboxing videos. Two, everything is going back. We're going to try it on and then we're going to send it back because this stuff is very expensive. But I am showcasing this company to you guys again as another alternative to styling videos, or not styling videos, as another alternative to styling choices. And again, mm.lafluer pretty much, and I hope I'm saying it right, pretty much caters to more of the business woman, the career woman, and clothing that will fit that lifestyle. Okay, so without further ado, we're just going to hop right in. We're not going to take too much time explaining mm.lafluer. Again, check the card, previous card that I put up, if you want to check out the information about mm.lafluer, and of course I'll have some information below for you guys as well. I got one of these maybe a couple months ago, about 2 months ago, and I just didn't film that one. I don't know. Sometimes I want to film them, sometimes I don't. You know, I don't want to bombard you with the same things over and over again. I want some variety on my channel, okay? Alright, so, box is open. Here we go. Let's go into it. Alright, so, you know, it gives you all the, it gives you all the information right here. This card actually has the prices on it. I just looked at it, but I didn't memorize everything, and I don't know what everything looks like, of course. So we will go over the prices at the very end like normal. Here's the baggie to return it in. We can take this to the UPS store, keep it pushing. Let's jump in. So the very first thing is this little box right here, okay? And let's see what's in here. Alright, mm.lafluer, I really like how they package everything, but everything is super expensive, so it should be packaged appropriately, okay? So it came in that little box, and then whatever this is in this little baggie right here. Hopefully you guys can see this little baggie. Alright. And now, the funny thing about these earrings, alright, so, again, I put a card up for my first mm.lafleur Bento box, okay? And if you've seen that video previously to today, or if you clicked on it already, I received some earrings very similar to these that very first time. So, I wish, not to say that I was going to be able to keep any of this stuff, but just to know that this is my third box and I'm already being sent something that's very similar to the first time that I was sent, just lets me know that there may not be too much of a variety as far as the jewelry that they sell in this brand, okay? But anyway, that's just the jewelry. Here's the clothes. And the clothes always come in this baggie just like this. It's like a Ziploc baggie, a really cute fancy baggie, okay, to preserve everything that's inside. All right, so let's open it up, and everything comes, let me open it up, everything comes very neat and organized, and it's tightly wrapped up in a little bow like this, okay? So here we go. Let's unwrap everything. All right, so the first thing is a nice gray blazer, okay? So I received like a black blazer, pretty similar, not exactly the same because the sleeves are a little bit different. I'll show that to you. But I received a black blazer from them that I actually ended up keeping. Oh my God, it was very expensive, but I love that blazer. It was really worth it. You know, and it has some little detailing right here as well on the sleeve, okay? Very chic, very business-like, and I like things like this that can go with multiple different clothing items. I can wear a black dress with this, you know, I can wear different colors with this gray and I won't have too many issues. Okay, so that's really pretty. This next thing, and this looks like it might be a little bit too big for me, is this nice blue top. Okay, it's in the size extra large, so I'm kind of in the middle. Like, I could be an extra large, I could be large. It depends on what it is, but it's nice and pretty. It got some nice stripes. Okay, nothing too fancy, but it is a really nice top. Okay, and it got the little cut a little bit in the front, but it looks like it might be too big for me. So we're not keeping this stuff anyway, right? Okay, anyway, this is gorgeous. If it was anything, I'd keep this, but this will definitely get destroyed in a wash. I have a tendency of destroying clothes in a wash machine, so yeah. So here is this. Okay, I'm always saying in these styling videos that I need blouses, cream blouses, white blouses. This is actually quite beautiful and it's nice and soft and stretchy. Okay, again, this is in the size extra large, so it's probably going to be a little bit too big for me, but it is a beautiful top. It actually is really beautiful. Here is a skirt. This is actually a pretty skirt. This is actually quite beautiful. And doesn't look like it would be really tight on me. I have this thing with skirts, cause I got big thighs and all that. So when I walk around and stuff, it's a little bit. Hopefully this isn't too bright. I'm sorry. Let me pull up this way. Pull this way. Yeah. So sometimes, you know, my thighs rub together, so sometimes skirts can really bother me. But that skirt looks pretty cute. Alright, so here is pretty much a black dress, okay? A plain old black dress. Again, this brand focuses on the career woman and career pieces that you can mix and match and things like that. So, I haven't received anything that had too many prints yet. Like I said, this is my third box. So it's pretty standard to solid colors. The last one is this red dress. This red dress is actually quite gorgeous. I don't have a red dress. I think this is absolutely adorable. I love how at the bottom it's not going to be too tight. I know I'm flipping all around with this dress, but I'm sorry. It's not going to be too tight at the bottom where my legs are, because it flares out a little bit at the end. That's really, really cute. And wow. I mean, maybe we can keep that dress. Let's see how much everything is, because this stuff is just crazy expensive. But everything is pretty nice. And again, for the career woman, not too many crazy prints or things like that. Just really, if you're in the business field and you need help with loosening up that wardrobe, that's definitely what mm.lafluer is for. It's not for casual dressing and things like that, okay? So I will say, and I'm not sure if I mentioned it when I returned one of my previous boxes from them, I can say that although these items are expensive, they're less expensive than the first two boxes. So, like the red dress, I think is actually a great price for a dress, especially if it's something that's really high quality and made of good material. I think it's actually a good price for that dress, and I may consider purchasing it. We shall see. So I'm going to try these items on for you guys, and you can definitely put in the comments below what you think of all these things. I'm really, really liking that red dress. A lot of these things may fit a little bit too big on me though. I remember with my first box that's what it looked like, but let's see. I just wanted to mention the sizing of some of these clothes before we finish out the video. A lot of the clothes fit a little bit loose. Some of the things fit a little bit wonky. I do want to mention that in future videos I'll probably put on some shapewear, and that could be why the clothes look the way that they do while I'm trying them on. But in general, some of the things from mm.lafluer can come to you a little bit big. So if you do decide to subscribe to this clothing service, make sure you answer the questions related to your size appropriately and communicate with your stylist about the fitting of certain things, so that way in future boxes they can send you pieces that will fit better on you. So that's just a little disclaimer that I wanted to mention as far as how the clothes fit and what you can do to make sure you get the right sizes. Okay, you guys, what do you think of this second bento box? Now, again, this stuff is very expensive, but as I keep saying to you guys, it's for the career woman, the people who work in offices, or they have to dress business professional or even business casual. This is the styling box for those type of people, okay? So if you are interested in mm.lafluer, if the price doesn't scare you away, you know, I'll have all the information below for where you can sign up. You don't have to pay a styling fee. They just style you and send you the pieces. All you pay is for what you decide to keep, okay? And I really enjoy mm.lafluer for that as well. That I can choose to receive a box every month, every 2 months, every 3 months, which right now I think I'm every 2 months right now. So, and it gives me some time to save some money for something that I might really like in one of these boxes. So, yeah. Let me know how you feel about the clothing in here. Let me know if you ever tried mm.lafluer, how you feel about it, if you have any pieces from them. And comment below any other styling services you would like to see on this channel for me to try out and review and show off the quality of the clothing and things like that. Definitely let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel for new interesting content such as this. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.